Hello, Weapon here. So this is my fourth video in 3 days. I can do little else than new videos. To apologize for so long without making them. And also because I'm confined to my bedroom for now, so I have to do something. And this will be picking more locks, of course. And for you today I have this TESA. It's a TESA T60. It's used and it's a bit banged up. The pretty half was sent to Strix, so I got this one. It's a very nice lock, and although it's just a 6-spinner, it's a pretty hard one, because the TESA locks usually have drivers that are tapered and have serrations, and so they are not easy to pick. So I'm going to show you. Yeah, so it works, and yeah, it's the problem with being banged up a little bit, but it's working. Yeah. So now let's try to pick it. So let's try. Because of the tapered drivers, I have to use quite a bit of tension. Also, this is a very easy to overset lock that adds to its difficulty. So we have first click here, 5, 6, back to 1 is binding, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now 3 looks like might be binding. 2. Yeah. Now trouble is that 3 is very high set, so I think I will drop a few things. 2. Okay, so yeah, I dropped a few. Max lifts here are not easy and frequently make you drop things that are already dropping because they are tapered. We'll drop more, and here we go. Yeah, so it's open, and see, So you can close it now, and let's get it. It shouldn't be an issue, but I'll shim anyway, just in case. I haven't got at this one yet. So no plug modifications, nothing, pretty standard chambers. Now let's see the drivers. So all the springs should be the same. Now, this is why they are easy to overset. So as I said, the drivers are tapered, and so are the keypins. And the longest keypins, or rather everything except for the shortest ones, are serrated here, and this serration is very effective. If you get in this one, you probably will have to reset everything, and that's because you also are needing to use a lot of tension to set the drivers. So if you release, everything will drop anyway. So this is one of the reasons why this lock is so hard. You have to be very precise with the feedback and know whenever the lock is actually binding. And the drivers are these kind of double serrated pins. Look more or less like barrels, but a bit different, and they are beveled. They are tapered at the end, not much, but just enough to be very effective, especially because the tolerances in these locks are really good. See if I don't have one keypin without serrations, so all the keypins have these top serrations that are really easy to overset. So here you go. This was TESA T60, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.